just want to show you the windows go up and down with these. I'm going to leave it down because I'm going to do a drive with it so you could hear the truck. It sounds really good. And then I'll turn on the AC so you could see that the AC is working. Alright, here we go. Not too long of a distance to drive, but should do the truck. Truck drives really nice. I drove it all the way back from Tennessee. From Tennessee to Florida. Did great. Air worked the whole time. No issues with truck whatsoever. So, here you go. Truck sounds good. Everything works. It's got a killer radio system in it. Okay, now I'm going to roll up the windows so you could see the air working. And we should be done. As you can see, it's going cold. So here we go. Yeah, I drove this truck, I don't know, 664 miles, something like that. Did really good. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks. This is Chrissy.